Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the size of your videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank canvas or completely blank background and project open, and I will be using this to actually edit this video, which I have imported through the import media button. And if I click the green plus or drag it and drop it into the timeline, I have added it here, and then I can start editing it. If you select the video, as you can see, the preview is showing the exact timestamp of the video that I am on. Currently it's at 0 seconds, and as you can see, it has a green border around it right here. The way you can resize it is you can click either of these nodes in the corners and drag them out, and as you can see, it resizes the video. Sadly, it doesn't fit into this 16:9 aspect ratio, so I cannot fill in the rest of the blanks. And as you can see, you also have, once it's selected, above it you have this fit icon, which you can click and it'll fit the video to the minimum edges, as you can see, to the top and bottom, and it still has the leftover space from the left and the right. And after that, you can click the fill icon as well, and as you can see, it fills everything completely so that the background is not visible. However, it does cut out the video a bit. Now, what you can also do if your video is too small, you can change the aspect ratio by clicking here in the top right and selecting whichever aspect ratio you want. Let's say I want 1:1, and as you can see, it has resized my video, and I can use the same tools to fill it in. And that is pretty much all you need to know and all there is to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.